our daily question. This is our daily question 590, n array tree post order traversal. So we are given a root of n array tree, return the post order traversal of its node value. An array tree input serialization is represented in the level order traversal. Each group of children is separated by null values. So this is one of the example. So what do we mean by, first of all, an array tree? So like we had binary trees. Binary means 2, so we have only 2 children. But now we have an array tree, which means it can have many children. So let me just take you to this and give you an example. So this was the binary tree, which means that it will definitely have 2 children. But if we have an array tree, this means that a node can have any amount of children. So there will be a little slight difference in the structure of this node, as it is shown in this structure, that the node have one value, which is value, and other is the children, which is an array of nodes. So I will suppose this is how it looks like. So how a post order traversal of this would look like. First of all, we will be over here, then we will suppose initially we are over here at 1, then in post order we process left to right, so we will go to its left, then again we will go to its left subtree, and we will, so it do not have any further left subchildren or right subchildren, so we will process it. Now what will happen, that after 5 we will go to 6, because it is the right child and we are moving in left to right post order traversal. So the next would be 6. So after coming to 6, we will see that this will be left, so we will write it down to our recursive call, then we'll come back to 1, and we have to traverse other nodes, children nodes of 1 also, which are 3 and 4. So hence we will once process 3 and then we will process 4, and then the pointer will come back to 1. So we will be processing the root node at last. So this one will be processed at last. So this is how it would work. So 562.341 would be the answer to it. Similarly is the given 563.241 would be the solution. Now how to solve this, I have given you one dry run of the code. The solution would look like. So initially we will start our question from this post order, and we are given a root node, so we'll initialize one answer array which will contain the answer, then we will pass root and answer to it, and at last we will return the answer. So how this solution function will work, it is described over here. So if we have a null value, this is the base case, we have a root is equals to null, so we return it, we have nothing. So similar to binary tree, instead of going left and then right, we will traverse to this whole portion. So we have our auto x, which means that it will be pointing to the children of our root value, and then we are sending that as a root to each of the recursive function. And after processing all the children node, we are pushing back root value in the answer. So this is the post order. So after processing the children, we are giving answer back. So this is the post order traversal, and you can submit it, and this is how this code will work.